Hi there. Welcome to the vlog. At the doctor's office. Okay, Rebecca, imagine you had one pair of shoes that you had to wear on your face every day. Now imagine you wore that same pair of shoes on your face for a year. And then today you got to replace those face shoes. That's right, I'm talking about glasses, and I'm getting new ones today, which is why we're at Costco. We're going to the optical center. It's gonna be lit. What was that? Sweet tea.
Sweet tea, honey.
Honey.
Honey, you want some sweet tea with that?
Oh, sugar. You're just dumber than a roach on a hot dog.
A hot dog?
Hot dog. I don't know what that was.
Just like hot dogs?
I don't know. These are all the glasses I tried on. These are one of the ones I'm thinking about getting. Here, let's do this. One of them. And the other ones are a little more fun. Woo. Can you see it? Can you see it? No, you're making it worse. Don't move. Don't move me. We're blowing up floaties. How do you feel that Caroline and I's psychic connection is so strong that we're drinking almost the same drink at the same time?
It's very impressive.
She's lying. At the beach. So I finished A Beautifully Foolish Endeavor. Sorry, that's the dog eating in the background. And I have a lot of thoughts. Honestly, both of us are characters in this book, although minor characters. You're a little bit bigger deal than me. That's sad. But yeah, you're cool. Yeah, but it's really, really surprisingly political, which I guess like kind of a lot of sci-fi is, but I would be really interested to see what you think about it, and we could talk about it, because like there's a lot going on. Like Hank Green went deep. He shocks me. I don't expect it. He goes so deep. I don't even know. I'm still trying to figure it all out. Okay, I'll talk to you later. This is the end of the video.